Hey everyone! Today I've got a crucial update on the most recent hack that's shaking up the crypto world. So on November 16th, 2024, Giggle Academy's X account, formerly known as Twitter, was hacked. This isn't just any account. Giggle Academy is an educational initiative started by Binance founder Changpeng Zhao. They offer free online education for grades 1 through 12, focusing on core subjects, emotional intelligence, finance, and blockchain. It's a fantastic resource, especially for underserved communities. But this hack, it's part of a much bigger problem. The attackers used phishing links and fake announcements, including a bogus CEO appointment, to trick users. And Giggle Academy isn't alone. That this incident highlights a growing crisis. In 2024 alone, over $800 million has been lost to crypto phishing scams. There have been 247 recorded attacks, and the numbers are staggering. For instance, in Q2, 67 incidents led to $433 million in losses. And even though the number of incidents dropped in Q4, the losses are still on track to surpass those early year figures. How are these scammers doing it? They're using advanced techniques like wallet draining and address poisoning. Wallet draining tricks users into granting token spending permission. And address poisoning? It involves creating fake wallet addresses that look almost identical to legitimate